we have our two WOW Audio Jive units over here and the Honor Magic V3. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pair these two with this phone and we're going to enable TWS just to show you guys how easy it is to enable TWS or True Wireless Stereo connectivity as well as Bluetooth on the WOW Audio Jive. Alright, so first we're going to turn both of them on at the same time.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Okay.
Bluetooth pair TWS left channel.
Yeah, it went straight to Bluetooth mode, and I don't know if you guys heard, but there is a message or a prompt that confirms that this is the TWS left channel, and this should be the right channel. And if you notice over here, WOW Audio Jive automatically came up as one of the available devices. Now, just to make things really sure, we're just gonna press the TWS button on both of our units because the thing is it's blinking, so I'm not exactly sure if this means that this is the main speaker or is this the one because it's stable. So I'm just gonna press both of them.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth pairing. TWS left channel.
Okay, so because we already connected these two earlier on, it just confirmed that this is the right channel and this is the left channel. I'm not sure if the act of like pressing the TWS button switch the main unit or main device from here to here because now this is the one that's blinking. But either way, we're gonna connect it now.
Bluetooth connected.
And there you go, Bluetooth connected. Let's play something from YouTube Music. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to get copyright striked. So, TWS mode, Bluetooth pairing on the WOW Audio Jive and the Honor Magic V3. Really easy. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. We can talk about it there. And if you want to see more videos on the WOW Audio Jive or the Honor Magic V3, just search for Tech Kuya, subscribe to us, and we'll see you guys there.